Guys, welcome to my channel where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing and how to make money online. Another inspirational videos just for you. If you are a new timer on this channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe and click the notification to ensure that you get new videos from me. You get notified by YouTube when I post new videos that will help you in digital marketing and to make massive sales online. I welcome you to my channel once again, and I know you do so well to enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you are a returning subscriber and this current video you are watching has added value to you, please don't forget to like and use the hashtag that is attached in the comment section. Thank you.
Hello guys, so today we're going to be learning how to up your skills for money on Fiverr. That is how to make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you can sell your skills. I've always said it that skills make you rich and not theories. So what is Fiverr and how can you use Fiverr as a beginner or someone that has a skill that you have been selling? You have one or two clients either in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, and you've been offering services to them before. You've been making graphic design, you've been making logo designs, you've been making some other drawings, animation, and some other skill sets that you do have. Now, you can actually globalize these skills. Fiverr is a freelancing site. It has an application that allows you to sell your digital skills for money at your own price. Don't forget, it is a price you set for it that you're going to have there. Now, you can offer any service you wish. You have over 200 categories there. Once it is legal, then you can actually offer that service out. Once you post a service, users can browse through the listings to find the one that is best fit for them, and then you will do the job and then they pay you, and then you'll be paid in foreign currencies. Now, there are several categories of skill sets you may not even know that you have. If you browse through Fiverr's website today while watching this video, you're going to discover some of the talents, some of the skills you have developed over the time, either passively or actively, and then you can actually sell with those skills. Your writing skill, just writing short scripts of videos, short script of drama, short script of some other poems that you do have while you were in teenage school and all of that levels of development. You can actually sell those skills. You can sell those skills. And if you have zero skills, you don't have any skill at all, you have always been working under somebody, you do the 9 to 5 job, you have a career, you have something you're doing, you don't have a skill at all, or you have a skill that you want to sell. If you watch this video to the very end, you will be able to see that you have many skills that you can actually develop. And if you don't have any skill at all, you can also make use of Fiverr to be able to make money online. Now, look at this. What you see on your screen now. Some people are saying, I'm a designer, I'm a developer, I'm a writer, I'm a video editor, I'm a musician, I'm a voice over artist, or maybe you are even a social media marketer. Whatever you are, whatever skill you have, you can make money on Fiverr. Whatever skill you have, you can sell out your skill, your services to people who are waiting, who are willing, they are ready to pay for your skill. Now, look at what you're seeing on your screen. Look at somebody, Digital Sarah, for example, is saying that she wants to sell her skill of Facebook ad manager, Facebook ad management just for $300. 300 US dollar. If she does that continuously for just 10 clients in a month, for just 10 clients in a month, she will be able to have $3,000 just in her account. And that is just what she will do for somebody, maybe in 1 week or 2 times in a week, and then she'll be able to do that. So you see the reason why you need to come up on Fiverr now. If you have not registered or sign up on Fiverr, then you should do that now. You should do that now. Why? Why should you do that now? You will be able to sell your skills across the globe, not just attached to one customer, one client over there, another client over there. The client comes today, doesn't come tomorrow, and then you will be able to earn while you're developing your skills, while you're working on your skill. I can see a lot of people today, they are trying to develop one skill or the other. Some people are trying to learn graphic design, some people are trying to learn UI, UX design, some people are trying to learn coding, some people are trying to learn different languages. Some people are trying to learn some digital marketing skills. Yes, all those skills, while you are even developing your skills, you can start any while you're developing your skills, and you can get big jobs done in a smart way. What are the bases of working on Fiverr? Now, you need to actually sign up for Fiverr. I need to let you know that on Fiverr, you can actually find a service. That is, you get people, you hire people there to do a service for you, or you can become a seller. Now, the way you can get money from Fiverr is when you are a seller. So, how does it work? How do you get Fiverr to work for you? Just like you can see, number one, you need to create a gig. Creating a gig means you are creating a service. I'm going to walk you through. If you continue to watch this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create a gig on Fiverr. You need to sign up for free. If you look at the description of this video, just look at the description below, you will see a link where you can click to sign up on Fiverr. Just and then I will direct you right now how you're going to set up your gig, and then you offer your work to the global audience, and then when you deliver the work, you'll be notified, and then you'll be paid. You'll be paid by the person that you are able to render service to when they actually place order for your work. So for you to sign up now, so let's go ahead now to sign up. Now this is what you're going to see on your screen. Now if you click the link and you're watching right now on your mobile phone, you just go to your Google Play Store, and then you type in Fiverr. That is, you want to download the Fiverr app. When you downloading the Fiverr app, when you downloaded the Fiverr app, then you can sign up. You can either sign up with your Facebook account, sign up with your Google account, or you sign up with your email address. Now, the best thing for you to do is to follow my description while you are watching this video. Follow my description while you're watching this video. You can also do it on your PC, and then you'll be able to get all the processes of setting up your gig completed on your PC. But don't worry, if you only have your phone with you and then you want to get this done, you can actually do that, and you can follow me here while you're doing that. Now, you need to click the continue button when you have downloaded the app and you have signed up. Either you selected your email address, selected Facebook, or you want to actually use your Google account to sign up, whichever way. Now, you could see here saying that a gig is bought every 5 seconds, and that is true. A lot of people are waiting for several services to be done for them. People may just want to edit a video and they want people that are able to do subtitling for them. People may just want to run an ad and they're waiting for people that are able to do that for them. People may just want to create a logo and they are waiting for people that will do that for them. People may just want to create a flyer and they are looking for people that will do it for them. Several skills. I mean, several skills. When you create a gig, you deliver your work and then you get paid. So click on the continue button now, and then let's go ahead. Now, when you click on the continue button, it will tell you that you need to create a selling account. You need to create a selling account. Now, how do you create a selling account? You go to your profile. You see right on your phone or your mobile phone, right on the left hand side, you're going to see a place where you have the home page, and on the right hand side, you're going to see the sign of your profile. So click on the profile. If you are using the PC, then you also select your profile. When you click on the profile, then you click on settings. When you click on setting, then you click on start selling. Click on start selling. So when you click on start selling, then you will be able to create is selling account on Fiverr. Now, when you go to selling account on Fiverr, you will be able to see this dashboard, this dashboard that we are seeing now. This dashboard will let you see the different steps and the different thing, the different stages that you must go through before you be able to create your selling account. Now, the information that is there, you need to take your time. Take your time in creating your profile because your profile must include exactly who you represent, the skill set you have. It must describe your professional skills. You must actually upload your profile picture, and sometimes they also want you to verify with your ID. When you do that, when you verify with your ID, then you will be able to continue. Now, you must be real. You must identify the gigs that you want to be selling. You must not register on Fiverr without knowing the skills. You must go through the skills first. Go through the different skills that people are selling. Identify the ones that are not too common, the ones that resonate with the experiences you've had before, the ones that resonate with the services you have had in the past. You must be real. Identify the gigs you want to sell. Then you can add more gigs later anyway, but you must provide all the information. You had all your skills, and then you also be told to verify your account with your email and your phone number. When you verify your account with your email and phone number, then you are good to go. You are almost done at that point. Now, when you go to when you get to this stage, then you will be asked to create a gig now. Now, before you can create a gig, you must have the information you want to sell. Definitely, what can you sell? Now, you might think of the product and services you are offering right now. You may think of the proven product and services that you have had in the past. When I mean product and services, I don't mean physical product. I mean digital product. The ability for you to write, the ability for you to summarize a book, the ability for you to summarize an essay, or different things that people will be able to do online, what they are requesting for. That is what you should do. And then you select the information that you have over there, and then you create your gig. When you do that, then you can now be thinking of how much you can make on Fiverr. Now, how much can you make? You can work as much as you want. When you've created your gig, you can sell as much as you want. Don't forget that on Fiverr, you would be able to set your own price. You can set the price of the services you want to render. There is always a guideline to the amount that is accrued to a type of service you are rendering. But I want you to know that before you will be able to get an order on Fiverr, you must set up your gigs very well. For example, this is an example of what will show up when you want to set up your gig. And I want to advise that when you're setting up your gig, you can do that on a PC. But if you don't have a PC while you're setting up your gig, it's no problem. You can also set up your gig on your phone, on your mobile phone. So on Fiverr, there's always two words that will start your gig, and that is the default way. I will. What will you do? For example, I've written here, I will run Google Ads for your business with over 60% ROI. Now, I want you to know that before you can actually be ordered, before somebody can order for your products and services, you must have a very good reputation on Fiverr. You may not be able to get an order in the first 2 months, and you may be lucky to get in the first month, but you must review your gig very well. Don't select a crowded gig. If you type in digital marketing, for example, you may have about 200,000 people who are actually offering similar gigs like that. Go for gigs that are not too popular. Go for gigs that do not have a lot of people that want to offer it. Fiverr is already getting saturated, but you can actually make it if you go for well refined gigs. well-refined gigs on Fiverr. What are the things you need to do now? Click the link in the description below to start. You must know what you want to offer. Fiverr allows you to have access to remote jobs, and the earlier you start, the smarter you become if you are consistent. As I said, don't forget that Fiverr is a freelancing website. Then you can actually work on Fiverr without subscribing for it. You can create a gig that is not too common. Now, let me give you an instance of what you can do. We have a lot of people that try to um, put subtitles on their video. So if somebody asks you to put a subtitle on a video, or you want to do subtitle on the video, which is not so common on Fiverr, what you can simply do is to go to subtitle.com. When you go to subtitle.com, create a profile. When you create a profile, then you can upload a video. When you upload a video, you will be able to add the video and then you extract the SRT file. When you extract the SRT file, then you can submit the work. You edit the video directly and then you submit the work and then you get paid. This is an easy way for you, even without a skill, for you to be able to use Fiverr and then you make money on Fiverr. So easy. You can also look for other jobs that you can do on Fiverr that do not have crowded number of sellers. Crowded number of sellers. Once you have a gig that you want to offer and you have about 5,000 people, it means you're going to be competing with 5,000 people. And don't forget, many of the people that you'll be competing with already have reviews. In fact, some of them even have work in pending. Whenever somebody has work in pending, it means that kind of person is a seller on Fiverr that is well recognized, well reviewed. That kind of person, as a starter, you may not be able to compete with such persons. But what can you do? On Fiverr, the best and easy thing to do is to select a gig that is not so common. You need to do it yourself. You need to review based on your experiences. If you want to have me as your guide, then you can see the link in the description button below for you to contact me, and then I will be ready to guide you. Wake up. Don't sleep on this. Call for help. Be trained. Be mentored. I can actually guide you as well. You can look at the link in the description button below if you need some guide. What skill do you want to sell? Type it for us in the description below. That may be the next video I'm going to be making. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. I provided some website here for you to learn more free digital marketing trainings at your own leisure time. And I will be glad to have you as a digital marketer. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.